Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So on this video, I want to talk to you guys about a credit card that came to my attention. And I think that it's decent. And I want to say only when is it decent. So the credit card that I'm talking about is the Taz credit card. Now, I made a video about the total credit card, and I honestly got this 6 months ago, and I'm just not making a video, but still I'm like, I'd rather put it out so somebody else can know about it and they can understand exactly how this will work than to not have something out at all. So someone asked me, Ariana asked me, could I do a review on the Taz Visa credit card? She said she never heard of it before, but she received the offer in the mail and she wants to see another review or more information before she jumps in. And I don't know if she applied for it yet. I'm gonna make sure that this video I send it to her just in case she haven't applied for it yet, because the offer could still be there or they can make a new offer for her. So I want to do this review. Now, a few things that I found about this credit card. I did see this. I found this, so I wanted to show you guys this. So someone said they was able to get approved for the Taz credit card. Basically, you'll have to get mailed a pre-approval. I'm going to show you guys how to get mailed pre-approvals if you're not already getting mailed pre-approvals. But they said that they applied for it, they grew billing and credit. They filed bankruptcy, Chapter 7. They got approved in 2020. They filed in 2020, so they got approved for this credit card the same year that they filed. So they approved for a $350 limit. They said that they can get an increase, like right in this section, they can get an increase in about 6 months. That's if you're doing good. I have seen people say they got increase. They also said that they received their card a week and a half ago, set it up online. They have no issues yet. And they said it seems like it's like the Blaze or the Show credit card. Okay. They said they was in the mid 600s when they applied for it. But we don't even know what credit score they're talking about. Like, did you get that on Credit Karma, or, what the terms can be. So I want to show you a few things with the Taz credit card. Hopefully you guys get approved and listen to the warnings before I talk about this, because this credit card could go south. It's only good for certain people. And I'm going to show you like an instance. And if you're one of these people, then apply for it. Then if not, stay away from it. So here is the credit card here. So this will be the Taz credit card. You can click right here to accept the mail-in offer. I want to show you guys again how to get it. And if you guys already know how to get mail-in offers, or if you just want a quick thing, just fill out an opt-in form for Factor Trust and you'll get it. We'll review that shortly though on how to do it. So you'll have online access, which is good. Custom alerts, secure login, auto pay, flexible payment dates. So that is good. And okay, you got exclusive savings at like the highest: Subway, AMC, Wyndham, Domino's, Six Flags, Old Navy. You can see all these different companies. You guys are going to get some exclusive savings at these companies. And it's like they just have the app. So that's like everything. They got the mobile app, which is really good. I like companies like this. Remind me of like when I was doing a review on the Mission Lane credit card. One of the things I love about Mission Lane is that they have the mobile app, and they can offer you no APR at all too. So that's one thing. And this one right here, this company can offer you no APR, which is the only reason why I'm really giving it the stamp of approval, because it's going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. They have no foreign transaction fees, no annual fee. So you can use this outside the country. You got no annual fee on it. It's just something that can help you build your credit. And then no interest on purchases when your balance is paid in full. But we talk about that. Pay your statement balance by the due date. They'll never charge you any interest. We know that for any credit card. So that's why I said it'll be all right as long as you're not having an annual fee. Now, I like to look at the cardholder contracts. So I want to look over this quickly with you all. It shouldn't take that long. But whenever you're looking at any credit card, before you try to see if you want to get it, see what they offer. Like, what do you offer? So here goes some of the contracts. So offer number 1 is you can get this credit card with no annual fee. And look, the APR is 20%. That is better than a lot of companies out there. I'm just saying. But that's something that I looked at. No annual fee. I don't see anything about a maintenance fee, which is really good too. So I was like, okay, good. If you can get approved for it, I don't care about the APR anyway, because again, we paying our statement balance by the due date. But if you can get approved for, oh my gosh, I was not showing my screen, guys. Let me pull it up. Here it is right here. 20% APR and then no annual fee. Okay, if you can get approved for it and it's like this, then this can be a good thing for you. Now let's go back. We have this one here, offer number 2. So with offer number 2, notice how fees are coming in. Okay, notice the fees. So the APR is more realistic in terms of all the other accounts out there. Credit cards, 29.9%. Again, we don't care. We're paying our statement balance by the due date, and they don't have any minimum interest charge. So that's really good. This is where the problem come in with this account. So this one have a $75 annual fee, and if you want to authorize user, you got to pay $20 annually. Okay, so I want you guys to know that, and this gonna come right out of your limit. So they approve you for $300, you will get sent a card with 225. You're gonna get sent a card with $225 available because they already took $75, and your bill is gonna be due, which is gonna include your annual fee. Okay, so that is the second one. It changes even more, y'all. So let's look at this third offer. So I would not do the second one. If you get the second one, I wouldn't do it. And if you get the third one, I wouldn't do it either, because it's a $49 annual fee. And I haven't seen people get approved for this credit card with like $3,000. I haven't seen that. I only seen like $300, $400 approvals. Very, very low approvals. So that's why I'm saying don't do it. If it's any annual fee at all or maintenance fee, don't do it. Okay, now I told you guys to get offers in the mail. All you got to do is go to Factor Trust. Okay, Factor Trust opt-in. Just search it, opt-in or opt-out of Factor Trust, and it's what you want to do. You want to opt-in. So you're going to start getting offers of credit, basically firm offers of credit. So that means you're going to get a lot of credit cards sending you offers in the mail saying, hey, we pre-approved you for $1,000, $1,500. If you can get one of those credit cards, like if you come off of, like, instead of getting secured, if you go ahead and get one of these to start off with, or maybe you did get a secured and you don't technically got 4 credit cards, then getting the offer with no annual fee can help you boost your credit score even more. And it won't be a rush for you to close it. You can keep that around forever. So I say just do the opt-in for the Factor Trust. Fill in the information, first and last name, social security number, date of birth, address, city, state, and zip code with your email address. Click confirm. You guys should start getting offers in the mail letting you know whether or not you guys will be approved for credit cards. They'll let you know, hey, even like it's a lot of companies out there, you guys, that are sending you offers in the mail. So as long as you fill that out, you will see which companies are interested in sending you offers, basically. And push, turn, to shove, if maybe you like, oh, this is not the card for me, I didn't get approval what I want, go to my website, Rickita.com, and scroll down. I suggest you guys look at this list right here, pre-qualified with no hard inquiry. Look at this list right here, because this list is over 45 different accounts that can tell you yes or no without a hard inquiry. And if you can get one of these credit cards and they say yes, you like it, you want to actually get it, that'll be good for you, because the goal was to get a credit card. And when I think of credit cards now, where I'm at, I think about, okay, y'all finna charge me an annual fee. I don't care about APR because I never plan to keep a balance on it. But I'm not gonna do nothing ridiculous though. Like, it gotta be in the 20s. Like, you're not gonna give me a credit card with a very, very high annual fee, even though I don't care, but still. And then I want to know what rewards I'm getting, because I'm at the stage where it's like I built my credit. Me getting a Taz credit card is me going backwards in life, and I don't want to go backwards. So that's why I tell people, look at where you at and see what you want. And I don't want an annual fee, and I want to pay you no fees, but I want you to have to give me rewards for using your credit card. So that's kind of where I'm at. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know and schedule a call, and I'll see you guys in the next video.